Hi, I'm Sean Crocker. I'm here on Pine Creek, fishing in the wintertime. Winter can be one of the best times to get out and fish. People sometimes think it's unproductive in the winter, but I find that sometimes my most productive days are actually fishing in the winter. The Slate Run Fly Shop does a phenomenal job of maintaining the water right at the bridge there. I fished it this morning in ice cold, and we caught lots of big brown trout. Just a great time to get out in the water.
You're from Camp Hill. What do you think of our area and Pine Creek?
I love it up here. I've been coming up here with my father probably since I was about 12 years old, camping and fishing Pine Creek, Slate Run, Cedar Run. Whenever I come up here, I really love.
Beautifully colored trout. Looks more like a steelhead. Great. Okay, I want to get it back in. There it goes. How exciting is that? Take your time, Billy. Fighting it off the reel, too. That's fun. Nice fish. Way to go.